Hello everyone, how are you today? My name is Carla Dorn. My business is Vibrational Waves of Transformation. I will be participating in the live virtual Healers Expo on Saturday.
Greetings, my name is Mercury and I am the resident spiritual advisor at Third Eye Doll Astrology and Tarot. I use my gifts of clairaudience, intuition, combined with my practical wisdom to deliver a message of clarity in your love life, your career, and your life purpose.
Namaste, lovelies. This is your girl, T. Arlivia, with the Star Storm. So, fun fact about me, 2012 is when I had my great awakening. Prior to that, I had a normal job, a normal life, and then bam, I wake up and I have all these gifts and abilities. So now I help you access your gifts and abilities so that you can live a more prosperous life, a life with more love, and a life that's in alignment with your soul purpose.
G'day everyone, Royden Psychic from Tasmania, Australia here. I'm so excited to be part of the virtual Holistic Health, Wellness and Psychic Fair. I'm a clairvoyant, clairaudient, with my clairaudience taking the form of an astral radio, playing songs from the early 60s up to the early 90s.
Hi, I'm Donna Sessler, and I am a spiritual gemologist, and I assist people in finding their perfect stones, be it birth, zodiac, or destiny stones, which, by the way, in my room 36, you can come and see me, and I can show you the various items that I have here in my living room gem gallery.
Hello everybody, my name is Paula Dinaro and I'm an energy healer, I'm an awakening coach, I'm also a hypnotherapist, and I use many other techniques that help you rebalance your body, your mind, and your energy field.
Hello and welcome to Higher Consciousness Living. I'm Carole Aileo Ramsay in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Thanks for connecting to your new community, the Healers.Network virtual fair, every Saturday. You can find me in Break Room 17. So join me Saturday at 1:05 as we delve into my unique world, connecting with you as we clear out your cellular programming that has been keeping you in stagnation and fear until now.
Hello,
we are the Side Chicks.
We're so excited to be part of the Healers.Network virtual fair.
We are a psychically unique duo. You get two psychics for the price of one.
We are bilingual, so yes, se habla español. Sí!
We specialize in holistic healing, entity home cleansings, and channeling the dearly departed.
Good afternoon and hello. This is Ilene, the Heart Healer, and I wanted to invite you to this week's Healers Network virtual holistic health and wellness psychic fair. This is going to be a weekly event and I'm excited to be participating again this Saturday.
Hello, my name is Michelle Barrial and I'm here to welcome you to our event, which is called the Lionsgate Virtual Psychic Healing Fair. I'm one of 30 speakers who's going to be offering a presentation. My presentation is going to be to discover how to boost your immune system and your energy through vibrational healing energy.